Hello, this is a recording for a demo on case similarity on a case network consisting of legal documents, judgments, and other related legislation from predominantly the Indian legal corpus. This is work done jointly by a team from Delhi University and IBM Research. So we have both the paper as well as the code available here for people to peruse. We will now go to the demo. So in this demo, we have already preloaded a graph constructed with different cases. By cases, we mean the court cases filed at the Supreme Court of India as well as several courts in high courts of India. These cases have been mined uh, predominantly by scraping the internet and also using popular search engines for cases, especially in the Indian context. So, at the core of this is a graph neural network model which has learned the representations of these nodes, and it can be used to predict similar nodes to a selected case. For example, let me just choose one particular case, and on the right hand side we can see the features of this particular node. These features have been extracted similar to how we will construct a knowledge graph. We began by constructing a legal knowledge graph and then used topic modeling approaches in order to help us select features. Once the features were selected, we trained a graph neural network, in this case, an RGCN model, in order to predict similar cases as well as a citation network link prediction. So, for example, here I will just show an example of a similar node. Say, for example, here if we choose one of the other nodes in this graph, we can see that the similarity between these two were already available in the ground truth. So, for ground truth, we use the predictions from a popular repository of cases in India, namely Case Mine. So we just use their annotations as ground truth and try to predict as well as the similar cases in their repository. So here again we can see there are the different attributes of these cases like juxtaposed next to each other. So we can see that both these cases have been heard by the Supreme Court at different times, and it also gets into the details of what the case is about. Then on the left hand side, we have option for selecting more such subgraphs of cases from the same corpus. So for here, so once again, like it's another case with all its details. Then we could just choose like again one other network. Let's say this one. So this is again like this particular edge was already present in the network. Okay, here we have an example where the particular similarity link has been predicted by our graph neural model. Hence, it says the predicted new link, and in this case, there is actually just one path because it's a small graph. But there are also examples of larger subgraphs where we will find several other paths between uh, two nodes that are linked. Yeah, that's pretty much our demo, and thank you.